Here is an example of the collaboration practice for section 1. It's about AutoCAD terminology. Let's go see what the instructions say. Just find an empty slide with a term from AutoCAD workspace on it. Add your name. Go to Autodesk Help, which is the F1 bar in AutoCAD tab button, and copy the main instructions and save and plot the slide. So here's an example. So how are you going to get all that done? So here we go. Let me go ahead and eliminate that thing, and we'll start a new drawing. I'm in AutoCAD. I'm going to start a new drawing, and I'll try to do this line command again. Oops, I'm in the wrong workspace. I was doing something else. That's why this is all pretty useful. There we go. And I'm just gonna give this a try. I'm gonna do a few of the things that you know how to do already. Change my ribbons to light and change my background to white. I think it's easier for people to see when I'm doing my videos. There we go. A little bit easier to see. So I'm going to practice this line command. If I hover over the line and then I press F1 on my keyboard, this comes up, which is really cool. And they've got this very cool find button, because it's not always obvious where your command is. Okay, so I'm going to pick find, and look, it shows me that little arrow. So I'm going to go to my other screen and take a screenshot of that. There we go. Now I'm going to do one other thing first, just to show you what you can do. If you want to pull down the draw, this gives all of the draw commands that are identified in this ribbon. And I can do the same thing with my modify. Now they're all sitting there open for me. So when I come here and press F1, it goes right to it. And when I say find, it points at it. Move that out of the way a little bit. There it is. So now I'm going to go to my other screen and take my screenshot. And I'll take all 4 of those at once. And I can copy and paste that. And look, there it is right there. Okay, you might even want to really highlight it. That'll really show up quite well. Okay, and then I would probably add a copy of this. Here's my snip bar again. And I'm using the one that is not in my VMware right now. There's my snip for that. And when I come down, take my first bit of information, there it is. So that is how I would create this deck right here, this slide of the deck. Okay, so that's doing the work on the slide deck. And then I've asked you to, let me see if I've asked you to save or plot the file as a PDF. Now you're not going to submit that, you're just going to practice doing it. So here's File, Download as a PDF. And when it comes up, oh, I think that did the whole slide deck. So the other way to do it would be to plot it as just this one page. So there's my print as a PDF, and I can do just page 2. And there's my page. And I probably need to, well, that's actually showing it pretty well, even though it's like that. Oh, that's pages per sheet. Nope, that should be 2. And 1 page per sheet. There we go. Now I got it right. and that would plot just this one. So it depends on what your computer is set up to do, but you should start knowing about how to do these things. This is just good, solid file management, getting you ready for the workplace. You never know what the client is going to want. So then it's the save command, and it'll go somewhere. Okay? It'll go somewhere. I'll just put it in my downloads for right now. There we go. There. So, got it. All right. So that is a quick demo on how to do your shared slide deck. This is all part of your collaboration technology that you'll need to learn as part of your workforce training. There we go.